Everybody, how's it going? It's critic here, and today I'm going to show you how to install any LED or HID headlight bulb in a Honda Trx250 or any ATV pretty much. So now it's going to go from this to this. So I'll tap into it. Okay, so the black cover is off. All you had to do really was take the pins out, pull up from the headlight over here, and then it'll just pop out. But you have to push back because the pins will break. Alright, so now we gotta take out the headlight, of course. So first you gotta pull up on this while pushing down the headlight, really. I think it's easier if you take these out, but we're not gonna do that right now. And then after this is out, you see those little pins down there? There's like little sticks going through them that are attached to the headlight. You gotta pull it out. And first you gotta take out the headlight bulb before doing any of that. Guys, we're at the workbench right now, and I'm gonna show you some tools that we use in order to install the headlight. So first off, we have this Tack Life rotary tool, model number RTD348C, if you need to order it. Right here we have the rotary tool and the wire that attaches to it, and a bunch of stuff that attaches to it also. So this right here goes into the wire. I'm just gonna show you over here. And it spins like really fast. And this bulb does not really fit in there without being shaved, because the factory light is about the size of this over here instead of this. So there's no way that that would fit in there. So as you can see, the factory headlight bulb still fits in there. Let me just get it in real quick. There we go, it's in. As you can see, the factory bulb still fits in there, nice and snug. Of course, you have to turn it. And it doesn't come out. It's still good. So we're gonna take it out now. And this bulb right here is the bulb that we are going to put in. So as you can see, we did shave it in there, and this one was a little bit loose. So that's the whole point pretty much. So this right here is what goes inside of the hole, not this, because there's no way that that would fit. So as you can see, I'm gonna mount you right here, so I can show you. So here we go. This is the new HID. No, sorry, not HID. LED bulb, and this goes in there really, really snug, even nicer than the other one. And look at the plug. Everything's in. It fits absolutely perfectly, and it's good because it's hard to take out. It's also got a little bit of fan in it, and it's a really good bulb. I highly recommend it. So let's take it out. Take the headlight back over here. Okay, so now this wasn't just plug and play. As you can see, this plug, these two plugs right here, completely different. Completely different. And we had to order some of these right here. So this plugs into this, you can see, with no problem. The factory one had 3 rivets. This has 2 rivets, so there's no way that it would fit. And I highly recommend, before putting the bulb in and like breaking the box and stuff and throwing everything out, is to test it with a battery from an ATV. I used it from my brother's quad, so I'm gonna test it real quick. You put the positive. There's a little mark on there that says positive, negative. I don't know if you can see it. Positive, negative. You put the positive in the positive wire. I'll put you down for a minute. As you can see, this is how you have everything installed. We have the headlight bulb over here, and the factory plug is right here. And if you don't know where the factory plug is, it's right there. You see that thing with the blue wire, and you see the wire that's shaking? That's what it's connected to. So as you can see, it's in here. This is what the factory wire is in. And this right here, as you can see, is, let me get the box out for you, is this. Headlight socket 9005. Dorman conductile universal 85812. So if you need to pick that up, I recommend this one if you get this exact headlight. Another cool feature about this headlight is there's a little fan in it when it turns on. Alright, so this headlight socket is right here, plugged into this headlight. Put some tape around it so it doesn't come loose. And the wire, alright, so now this is the hard part. the wires that are attached to the headlight socket that came in here are now connected with these. Here, let me get a better view for them. Called, but there's like a little metal thing in there, like a little metal flat thing in there that basically cuts the wires. As you can see, there's 2 wires in there. And one of them is attached to the ground, which is the green one, I believe. And one of them is connected to the high beam. The high beam is this one, right here. The black and the blue. And now, as you can see, they're both in there, in this blue thing. And there's a little metal thing in there, and this tab goes on top of the metal thing. If you have like China locks or something, or pliers, and you like press really hard on it, and both of the wires like cut open and they connect. So there's like a nice stable electricity going. And so there it is. And I hope this video helped you. And please make sure to like and subscribe this video. We're going to have a lot of car videos going up and a lot of quad videos. We have a video coming up about a Coolster 110 ATV that needs the headlights to be serviced because for some reason they're not going on. So we're going to make a video about that. And if you need help with anything on these quads, this is a Tao Raptor 2018 125cc. If you have any questions about these or these, let me know. As I said in the video before, this would work with any bike. I'm going to leave the link in the description for this. And these right here. These. And basically all this stuff. Like the headlight connectors, the tack life thing up there. I'm going to give you the links to all of them. And see you next time. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, like and subscribe. Thank you.